Are we all born with a positive or a negative money mindset? How does somebody's mindset about money get negative to begin with? What can you do? How do you even identify if your money mindset is negative? If these are the questions that have been roaming around in your head for the last couple of days after watching my videos, or you've always wondered about whether your money mindset is positive or negative, and how does somebody's mindset about money get negative to begin with, you are at the right place. Hello and namaste, I'm Manish Ahuja and this is Paycheck to Profit, India's first YouTube channel dedicated to your financial freedom. I tend to make 10 videos on this channel every month. So if the date in your calendar is divisible by 3, you'll find a video by me. That's how I go about it. In today's video, I want to talk to you about something extremely important. How exactly does somebody's mindset become negative to begin with? Well, and when I talk about somebody's negative mindset, I'm specifically talking about somebody's money mindset. So somebody could be an absolute achiever. Somebody could have been an absolutely good student, must have gotten all the accolades and must have won multiple awards and is doing really good with their career, but they are always worried about money. Or somebody who has a lot of money but is never sure about whether they can even spend it correctly or not. They don't invest their money in places where they feel that the risk is too much, or they'll feel that they'll if they invest in this particular opportunity, they'll definitely lose their money. If you're somebody who is like this, and if you're wondering how does somebody's mindset about money get negative to begin with, let me tell you, there are multiple reasons, there are multiple situations that can lead to somebody's money mindset to get negative. Your childhood, your attitude towards life, your experiences, the things that you've learned, the things that you've observed, the kind of movies that you've seen as a child, or just the, the kind of people that you've come across in life. Many people say it's primarily to do with childhood, but very recently I came across a podcast where topic of negative mindset was being spoken about, and the speaker mentioned this. They said, if you are somebody who has multiple siblings, 2 or 3 siblings, or just one sibling, are you and your sibling similar, or do you or your sibling have the exact way of working? In most cases, that's not the case. I am an only child, but I know multiple people who have siblings. My wife has a sibling, and my wife and her brother couldn't be more apart from each other with their attitudes, with their thought process. Yes, the value systems definitely match because that's what your upbringing is all about. But your attitude towards life is determined by your experiences primarily. So it's very difficult to pinpoint how exactly does somebody's money mindset get negative. Maybe you've seen and maybe you've seen a family member who's seen a loss in business, and that is why you feel no, investing in business is not the right thing to do. I am much safe in a job. Or maybe you've just heard of Harshad Mehta scams or Ketan Parekh scams of the stock market, and you believe investing in equity is the last thing that I'll do with my money. The idea is you are the one who's supposed to identify how did you get into this whole negative money mindset. What do you believe? Is your mindset about money positive or negative? As much as I understand, there are so many aspects about money mindset that somebody, almost everybody for that matter of fact, has at least some aspect about money which is a little negative in their life, and it has a very long lasting impact. Let's say, how does money even interact with your life? You earn money, you save money, you invest money, you grow your money, you spend your money. There are multiple energies that are involved with money transactions. If you have amazing mindset about earning money, you would earn a lot of money, but you probably will end up spending very with a lot of stress, with a lot of unsurety. Or maybe you spend a lot, but your whole energy about earning money is not in the right place. So it's absolutely understanding the balance, and that can only happen when you put the process, when you put the thought, when you understand what needs to be done in the right place. What do you do about this? How can you improve your money mindset? How can you change your negative mindset into a positive money mindset? Well, in by the end of the month, I'm going to be posting 3 more videos. So on 24th, 27th and 30th of this month, I would request you to please subscribe to this channel. Share this video with multiple people who you know have some sort of a negative money mindset. Maybe your family member, maybe your best friend, maybe just a colleague of yours who you are good friends with, and you know they always have a problem giving that extra, share whenever the expenses are getting split in a group. Just be good to them. Just share this video and tell them, I just saw this video and I thought about it. I thought about you. Or just share it on social media and say that watch this video if you want to improve your money mindset. In the following videos, I'm going to talk to you about how exactly does negative money mindset impact areas of your life. How can you change it? Can you even change it quickly? So there are multiple things that you're supposed to do even with your negative money mindset. If you have any questions about negative money mindset, please make sure that you subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, or if you're watching this on YouTube, make sure that you subscribe to like the page, or just interact with this video on the Facebook group of ours, and let's start this conversation, because I believe this is one of the most important conversations that we're going to have. Okay, so if you like this video, please do not forget to like and share this video, as I've told you earlier. I hope this video has added some value and has given you some food for thought. Make sure you come back for the following videos, where I'll be talking to you more about how do you get rid of this negative money mindset, what exactly is it that you can do, and how can I help you with it. This has been a good one. I'll now talk to you in the next video. Until then, please keep smiling, take care of your loved ones, and stay happy. Kaching.